Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today, I will show you 14 simple settings to improve battery life without turning it into a brick. But before that, here's what we will cover. 1. Check battery usage. 2. Use battery saver. 3. Lower screen brightness. 4. Enable dark mode. 5. Remove live wallpapers. 6. Disable unused connections. 7. Turn off auto sync. 8. Uninstall or disable unused apps. 9. Use light versions of apps. 10. Keep MIUI updated. 11. Avoid extreme charging. 12. Avoid heat during charging. 13. Turn off haptic feedback. 14. Raise to 8. So without further ado, let us get started. 1. Check battery usage. Go to Settings, Battery, and see which apps are draining power. Restrict background activity where needed. 2. Use battery saver. Enable battery saver or schedule it to activate automatically at a certain percentage. 3. Lower screen brightness. Reduce brightness manually. 4. Enable dark mode. Find this at the top of your phone. It helps a bit. 5. Remove live wallpapers. Use static images to save battery. 6. Disable unused connections. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC when not needed. 7. Turn off auto sync. In accounts and sync, disable for accounts you don't use often. 8. Uninstall or disable unused apps. Long press an app, then click and install. 9. Use light versions of apps. Download Facebook Lite, TikTok Lite, and etc. 10. Keep MIUI updated. 11. Avoid extreme charging. Charge between 20 to 90% for better battery health. 12. Avoid heat during charging. 13. Turn off haptic feedback. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, Vibrate on tap, and switch it off to save battery. 14. Raise to 8. Go to lock screen and turn off the raise to 8. Saving battery on your Redmi 10 is easier than finding a charger in public. Just tweak a few settings like turning off background apps, lowering brightness, and cutting out the battery-hungry extras, and boom, your phone runs longer without breaking a sweat. No power banks, no panic. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tips that actually make your phone better. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.